Don't Let the Pigeon
Drive My Car.
by Willems and
Ryan. Looking for mysterious adventures